What's up, I'm Karl, and in this recipe I'm going to show you how you can combine a finished SCORM course. Doesn't matter if you made it with Lectora or Articulate or Captivate, anything that publishes a SCORM output file, you're going to zip it up. You can upload it to this site here, reviewmyeLearning.com. You may be thinking, why do I need to do that, Karl? You can save yourself hours. For starters, you can tell your reviewers, hey, as you go through the module, if you have a question about the slide, you can just leave a comment over in the comments panel over in the margin. That's going to make it a lot easier for them to give you feedback, and it's also going to make it a lot easier for you to manage all those changes. You can show which changes you've done, which you're still working on. I'm excited to show you this. It's a wonderful tool. To be totally honest with you, I didn't want to use it when I was first introduced to it. Had to do it at a client's request. And now I like it so much I'm making a couple videos about it. So hope you like it as much as I do. Let's dig in. What you're looking at now is the developer's side of things. So you have the ability to name it whatever you like. You can hide comments so that other people don't see them. I like to have them hidden. I like to have them viewable. You can control different types of logins. So if you have something that's really sensitive company information, you could set up reviewers and give only certain people access to it. I believe in security through obscurity sometimes. If someone were to randomly come to this and learn about this system, I suppose they could. But I've done public invites where I just send out one link that goes out to everyone. One thing that's frustrating, if I build this and I make a new review cycle, we're going to have different links. So if you're the type of, if you send out one email to your reviewers and then they're going to get a new link the following week, it can be hard for them to know where to go. So I've left it just as a public invite. It's one link that goes out to everybody. We do still have a problem with new review cycles create new links. If I'm wrong, please tell me in the comments below. I would love to be wrong about that because it's a huge frustration. But anyway, so the way you see it work is that each of these, you'll see that it's a new comment, it's blue. When you've finished it, you just go through and you say complete. So it's pretty nice. When you work on it, you can actually go through and you can say, okay, so what are we still waiting on? We have these different things that maybe we had to have more conversation with the client. I found that it's really easy. You can go through and see new feedback, anything you've completed, and you probably see how this works. You do have the ability to go in and to assign multiple developers and say, okay, Greg, you're going to do the audio problems, and Johnny, you're going to do the graphic problems. And you could divvy it up that way. That should give you pretty good insight to it. I have the package that allows me to upload 5 courses. The one package course is just has the same exact features. You just have the different abilities to upload your things. It does let you brand it with your own. But yeah, so I have 4 different zip courses that are made up there. One thing that I forgot to point out, it's really nice that it tells you exactly what the slide number is. So it pulls that from the SCORM data. It says, okay, so in Storyline, my source file is slide 117, which that alone can be really super helpful. It's a huge time saver. So I hope you enjoy. Are you curious how the Articulate review site compares with Review My eLearning? Watch this video to find out more.